So we are at the location that we are shooting at, and I am sitting in the car. It is hot as fuck outside. Once you guys see what I have on, you will understand why I'm sitting in the car right now. But it's so hot. But this place, like, I mean, like, okay, it's not, obviously, this is not like a glamour shoot per se. I mean, it is, because bitch, I'm glam. But like, it's really like a rundown type of area, like old furniture, like just stuff like that. And it's gonna look so dope. Like, oh my god, it's gonna look so dope. I'm so excited. Belle times Fresco, let's go. Look, it's so pretty. It look like I'm finna do single ladies.
Right.
Look at how this shit be King Jeff about. Looking in your wallet cause you pay the cost. Guess what? I don't pay cause I'm the boss. Messy. Mind your business. Messy out. Be King finna split a wig. Split up. Messy out. Mind your business, bitch. Messy out. Stop. Worry about who I'm. What else? Worry about who I'm seeing. You better keep trucking. Run up, bit nut. If you bucking, I ain't really gotta say much. Woo child. The ghetto. But you see I'm stunting. I'm a ho lot of woman. Straight from the jack, so you know I ain't frontin'. Run up in your shit, but before you see me coming, yes, bitch. Keep running. You really talking cause you think that shit funny. But I don't talk cause I speak money. You a fresh dummy. Better be glad I ain't let your sorry hit. Cause if it did, bitch, he'd be sit. And you would've been sit. And I know you not about it. Now, this is a warning, this is a lesson. I won't say too much cause I need all my blessings. But keep this up, then I will get arrested. I had to finesse this whole, my ass done lost weight.
That's good though.
Nah, it ain't.
Oh, that ain't good?
I need this ass to be poking. For real.
You gotta make do what you got.
Listen, for real.
There we go. Hold that. 3, 2. 3, 2.
Fire shot. So you tell me what you want me to do. Bend backwards, flip over, what?
Hit a front foot.
Woo! Y'all, it's hot as a bitch. Get the strap. For real, get the motherfucking strap. What child? Baby, finna take all type of fleas home. On this rug. Woo! Get right down by them fake addresses. Touch you today and repent for my messes. You tried it, you tested, sealed, delivered your rent receipt. So you got my message. Messy. Mind your business. Messy out. Beat king. Had the pussy one time. Hey. Woo. I'm so vulgar. You recording on your own stuff?
No, it's not gonna come with no audio.
Okay. I be like, yes, ass cheek out. What's up? What you wanna do with it? So how we do? We do good. Yeah, you know how we do it. Professional right here. You know, just a little bit.
Yeah, it's a wrap, man. It's a wrap. We're gonna make it do what it do. Y'all gonna see some pics coming soon. Alexander Fresco. Make sure you go to visuals.af on Instagram.
Absolutely.
And visualsaf.com to check out everything, because I'm gonna make sure that we lit.
And you better subscribe, ho.
Hey, do what she say.
Period. Can't let the niggas know how good this service is. But when I do, that's when they start tripping. Hey, that's swimming pool, air stripping. I know it's tempting, but tempt me again and your ass will go missing. Nah, I'm not dissing. Setting you straight is the mission. My day, you should kiss it if you don't want me to put out your business. There is no limit. I got tea for days, just call me Miss Lipton. This is a slippery slope. Disrespect me again and you will get choked. This is no joke. Remember my name, B King, murder she wrote. Messy. Mind your business. Messy, yeah.